Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best VPN to block or remove ads while you're browsing. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. If you're tired of annoying pop-ups, video ads, and trackers that follow you around the web, using a VPN with built-in ad blocking is a fantastic solution. While there are many options available, one of the most effective and easy-to-use tools for this specific purpose is the AdGuard VPN extension for browsers like Google Chrome. Here's how to get it set up in just a few minutes. First, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can find this by clicking the puzzle piece icon in your browser toolbar or by searching for Chrome Web Store directly. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar in the top left corner and type in AdGuard VPN. The official extension should appear in the search results. Look for the Add to Chrome button and click it. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. After the installation completes, you'll see the AdGuard VPN icon appear in the top right corner of your browser, next to your address bar. Click on this icon to open the extension. Since this is your first time using it, you'll need to create a free account. Click the Sign Up button and enter your email address to create an account and set a secure password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main control panel. The interface is very straightforward. There's a large power button to connect and disconnect, and a location selector that lets you choose from various virtual server locations around the world. But the real magic for ad blocking happens in the settings. Click on the Settings gear icon within the extension. Here, you'll find specialized options. Look for a section called Ad Blocking or Stealth Mode and make sure it's enabled. This feature is specifically designed to block ads, trackers, and malicious websites before they even load on your screen. Now, go back to the main screen and click the power button to connect to a VPN server. Once connected, your IP address is hidden and your connection is encrypted. More importantly, you can now browse any website and you'll notice that most ads are completely gone. No more banner ads, no video commercials, and no pop-ups. The pages will load faster and look cleaner without all the extra clutter. You can test this by visiting news websites or streaming sites that are typically filled with advertisements. While AdGuard VPN is excellent for browser-based ad blocking, if you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.